Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my Hermes purchase, which was a few months ago now. As usual, I take my time with producing the videos and uploading them amongst my daytime job and being a mum. So apologies, but I did record this as a true unboxing at the time. So the first one is a Twilly. It is in a beautiful marine blue color with gold, mixed with a bit of gold and a bit of silver on it. I just thought the pattern is quite interesting. It's the sort of represents Hermes with the horse riding gear type of illustration on the Twilly. It's the first time I am owning a Twilly, and I just decided to get one as it is such a functional item for putting the outfit together, really upgrading the style of the outfit, as well as it could potentially be used as a belt for my pants, and as a handbag decoration, which I probably won't be using because I don't like to dangle things on my handbag nowadays. But yeah, definitely a very multifunctional item, and I have been using it quite frequently as a dress belt. I'm yet to find a sort of thinner belt that is suitable for a dress, so this is what I will be sort of using in the meantime, and it is very functional, and it fits well into my the color palette of my wardrobe. So the next item I have purchased is a lipstick. So I bought this lipstick after using the Hermes website, sort of the virtual try on. This is in the color of Rose Bruyere, which is a soft pink with a blue tinge. Because I do have a cool skin undertone, I decided to try out this color. It looked great when I used the virtual try on, so I'm hoping in real life it would look fabulous as well. Again, it's the first time I'm owning a lipstick from Hermes. It is a bit of a splurge. It is very luxurious looking, and I have heard great reviews about the Hermes lipstick range, so I decided to take the plunge. Love the packaging and the magnetic closure, or the magnetic lid that just clicks the lipstick lid back on. I have used a sample of a different color, which I do love. The texture that the Hermes lipstick range offer. It's quite hydrating on the lip as well, and yes, I can't wait to use this often. I'm still finishing off my sort of lipstick samples from purchasing makeup and skincare products from Mecca online, so I do have quite a few lipstick samples to go through before I open this one. Now, the SA actually gave me more lipstick samples too. That's great. So yeah, it will be good to try different color ranges, and I think nowadays with the sort of 3D lip makeup techniques, I think it's good to have a range of different colors to provide that three-dimensional look to a fuller and lip and a more natural lip makeup. Now, this is the most luxurious item I bought from Hermes. It's a silver bangle. They call it a bracelet, but really it's a bangle. I love this bangle. I have been looking for a silver bangle, and As you can see, I'm wearing my Hermes silver ring at the moment, and I'm so impressed with the silver. It doesn't tarnish easily at all. It still stays very shiny despite me not having sort of polishing it at all. And just in comparison to other silver items I've owned in the past, I can really tell the difference with Hermes silver. So this bangle is the Collier de chien bracelet in the small size, and I actually played around with this for quite a while at the shop with my essay because I struggled to open it. It's just I think for some reason the opening and the closing mechanism is not something I'm used to, and as you can see here, I just struggle with it, but it is actually quite easy once you know the trick, because I think intuitively you would just kind of try to do what I did to try to slide the claps away from each other, but you actually don't do that. So if you do this, it actually doesn't help. So what you do is you actually just press the bottom layer of the bangle, and it easily just unclicks the closure mechanism, and to collapse it back on is quite easy. You just push it and then pull the two sides apart to sort of secure that, and it doesn't open on its own. So far I've been wearing this quite frequently on my day out when I am sort of wearing a bit more of a casual or a bit of more of an edgy look. I use this, and to sort of open it up again. See, if I try to kind of do this like with my two fingers, it doesn't open. So what you need to do is actually just squeeze the bottom silver, the bottom part of the overlaying part, and it will just unbuckle itself very easily. So if you squeeze that, see how it just comes up very easily, and you can just easily do it with one hand. It is actually very easy once you learn the trick to it. I think it's just, for me, it's just not very intuitive. When I look at the design, I kind of try to open and close it the wrong way, but once you know what's the right way to do it, it's so easy, and you can do it with just one hand very easily. And as I said, look, I've been using this on and off now quite a few times, and it's still, once it's on, it's very secured. And yeah, I just love how shiny the Hermes silver is and how edgy it looks with this design. So my essay was telling me this is actually based on the design of the collar, dog collar, which is one of the sort of range of items that Hermes does as part of their heritage. This last thing is something my essay just pops into the bag for me, is a polishing cloth with the brand Hermes, a very soft quality cloth. It's not one of those like specific targeted silver polishing cloth that removes the tarnish, but it's just more of a regular cleaning to sort of remove dust and oils from the silver, and I have been using it, and yeah, it's maintained the silver to be as shiny as when I first purchased it. So this is it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you can enjoy other similar videos that I will upload in the future, as well as taking a glance at my older videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps to support my channel. And you all take care and have a great new year in 2024. Bye.